Yes, you're such a good kitty, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Do you like that breeze, my friend? Yeah. Helps keep the mosquitoes away, doesn't it? It's quite a mosquito-y day. Yes, it is. What's that over there? Oh, no. I think it was a pine cone that fell down, my friend. Is that what you're thinking, too? What's that over there? What's that over there? Well, I see some fall colors coming. That's good, isn't it, my friend? What's going on over there? Something's got his attention. Do you see something over there? Oh, we're rolling over in the dirt, little boo. You're kind of a dirty boy. What's a kitty to do? Looking at that little house in the tree, little boo? Yeah? Looking for some bird snacks in there? What's that? A little ear crust. Something's really got his attention in there. Oh boy. What is it, my friend? Is there something over there? Mm-hmm. All right. Well, you be good now to whatever it is that you're looking at in there. You go easy on my friend, okay? He's so crazy. He's gonna put his arm in the hole in the front, I bet. Oh. Can you imagine being a bird in there? Mom, Dad, there's a freaking giant cat on top of our house. Oh yeah. He's looking in there. It's on a vine, you goofball. Trying to balance on that thing? Hey, what you doing up there, man? Gotta be careful, you don't know. You can get your butt kicked by something up there. Yeah. Invading that house. The bottom of that fell out years ago. I had to put it back on. A couple screws. It's in there for good now. Well, Cinnabon breaks it. What you doing, mister? What you doing up there? You're gonna get in trouble now. You're gonna get in trouble. Yes, I don't think you're the authorized occupant. It's like licking the edge of that, so gross. Oh boy. Oh, there's a feather coming out of there. Or something. Jeez. Was that your little snack box? He's so crazy. Goofball. You're a goofy goober, aren't you? What you doing now? What, you gonna try to get down the tree? You be safe now. Oh boy. He's not expecting that. That's probably what he does. He's waiting for me to go and I stayed. Careful, my friend. It's a lot easier going up than down, that's for sure, huh? Yeah, he knows what he's doing though. Eventually he bails. Whoa, nice job, little boo. You're such a goober. You're such a goofy goober, you know that? That's okay. Maybe we'll be more successful next time. That's okay. Yeah. All right, you try to behave yourself now.